Callirhoe involucrata, commonly known as Purple Poppy Mallow or Winecups, is a beautiful native wildflower that produces vibrant purple flowers. Here's a guide on how to grow and care for Callirhoe involucrata. Planting. Timing: plant Purple Poppy Mallow in the spring or fall. It is best to avoid extreme temperatures. Location: choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-draining soil. Purple Poppy Mallow thrives in full sun but can tolerate some light shade. Soil preparation: ensure the soil is loose, well-draining, and slightly alkaline. If the soil is heavy clay, amend it with organic matter or sand to improve drainage. Watering. Establishment: water the plant regularly during the first growing season to help it establish a strong root system. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Drought tolerance: once established, Purple Poppy Mallow is relatively drought tolerant. However, it's a good practice to provide occasional deep watering during extended dry periods. Deadheading: after the flowers have faded, you can deadhead the plant by removing the spent blooms. This encourages more flower production and keeps the plant looking tidy. Trimming: in late winter or early spring, you can lightly trim the foliage to promote a more compact growth habit. Avoid heavy pruning, as Purple Poppy Mallow blooms on old wood. Fertilization. Purple Poppy Mallow generally doesn't require heavy fertilization. However, if your soil is poor, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring to provide nutrients for healthy growth. Propagation. Purple Poppy Mallow can be propagated by seeds or division. Seeds: collect mature seed pods in late summer or early fall. Sow the seeds in the desired location in the fall, or you can cold stratify them for a few weeks before sowing. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the beauty of Purple Poppy Mallow in your garden and create a welcoming habitat for pollinators.